All right, now that we have talked about email templates, our next step is to talk about smart lists. This is where you are going to come into contacts, and we have pre-created some lists for you based on the contacts and the tags that you gave us. So perhaps you had friends, or you had current clients, or you had former clients. Those will be found at the top of your contacts. These right here are your smart lists. You can have as many smart lists as you would like to. These are specifically filtered lists of people based on a certain criteria of filters that we have used. So we are going to create a new smart list so you can see how it works. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come to add a smart list. And the purpose of a smart list is these are things that you're searching for on a regular basis. So let's say we want to have an active customer list, and we want it to be for emails. And we want to know who in our active customers has emails, and that's all we want. So our advanced filters is the next thing we're going to do. And we're going to first of all, I like to start with tag as my first option. So tag is what is the group, the segmentation, and I'm going to type in active customer. And it sometimes will add in extra typing, so you want to get rid of that. Then we want to add a nested filter. It means that in addition to active customer, we want it to search for something else. So I want to know who has an email that is not empty. That means they have an email. And I also would like to know, add another nested criteria is DND. I use this one quite a bit. So I'll click up on DND up here, and I want email, and I want it that it's disabled. I don't want to know who already is enabled DND. I don't really care about that. So this is my criteria. I'm going to apply it, and then that will bring up a list of people. At this point, if this is something I know for sure, I'm going to use this all of the time, I'm going to do create smart list. So go ahead and hit create. And now it is going to bring my list up, and it will tell you how many people are in this list. When you click on this button right here, it will say, oh, good, I have 628 active customers that have an email. Yay me, that's fantastic. So now that we have our smart lists, you can keep on adding more filters. So you can click on advanced filters. You could add any number of other criteria. So let's say I want to also know who has a phone. And so the phone is not empty. And I also want to make sure that the DND for phone is not enabled. So that's important. So we want to go to SMS, not or disabled. I'm going to apply. And now my new list, I was at 628, now I'm at 543. Why do we use smart lists? Why do we use filters? This is why I use them. I potentially, let's say I want to go to my inactive customers, and I want to find out who are my inactive customers that I can reach out to by email. So I can do filters to find out who are they. I might even look at my last activity with them. I love this column. You can sort by last activity and say, oh my goodness, I reached out to them a year ago. I need to reach back out to them. And I could send that segmented group of people an email, a text, whatever it is. So based on your criteria, you can sort for all kinds of things. The other thing is in your customized list, there are lots of other things that you can sort by. And so just play around. So if you are not tech savvy and you're like, this is beyond me, I don't even know how to think like that, don't worry. We created smart lists for you. They're already up here. If you are someone who likes to play and try to figure stuff out, then go ahead, play with your filters, your customized lists, create your own smart lists. It's an amazing tool to be able to figure out how you can best work with your customers, your potential customers, your leads, and start filling in those gaps in your sales process. Okay, I hope this has been helpful.